That is 40%. Let's see what that looks like. To test it, a thermal printer. Found this online, and because this looked better on medium colors or medium tones, for what if we just turn down capacity down to 40%, 50%, 60% and see what that looks like when it's run through the stencil machine. This is what 40% looks like. It's not bad. It's pretty not bad, really. And you know how much time I spent making this stencil? None. This is what 50% looks like. I think this is the best one. All I did literally was take the image, turn down capacity or opacity to 50% and export. It is pretty dope if you think. Can't wait to test this on a real person. Not this design, the stencil paper. And this is 60%. Really like how this came out and the face came out. And probably this body is the best. Didn't try 55%, but I feel like that might be the sweet spot. You know what, let's try quickly. The paper is loaded and print. That's 60, that's 50, that's 55, and if anything, I feel like these two are pretty much the same. Didn't change at all. But still, look at that, how cool that is. Now what we need to find out is how long it lasts.